Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple opportunities for multiple batches. But before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, then guys make sure to subscribe our channel if you are liking our content, if you are finding it helpful, and to keep us motivated. Make sure to subscribe the channel and be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Well, let's talk about our first opportunity. So this is the referral form for STE1 role at Amazon. Hey everyone, what if I tell you that there is one platform that is going to hire you on the basis of your skill set, not on the basis of your degrees or the marks? Well, yes, there is that is relabeled by Unacademy where multiple companies, 1,000+ jobs are there which are going to hire you on the basis of relevant skill set. So all you have to do is that the link for their app is given in the description itself. Do install that app and then you have to do a simple registration process where you have to provide your mobile number. So if you are someone who is interested in business development, front-end development, back-end development, business analytics or data analytics, just choose your domain and then simply here you can see that 350+ backend developer jobs are present with starting from 6 LPA and multiple companies gonna hire like Razorpay and all. Here they have provided a complete test structure as well that total marks is going to be 1000 and you have to get 700 out of 1000 to qualify the test. So here this is phase 1 given, phase 2 given. Everything has been provided in the details. So all you have to do is just book your free slot. Choose the language you are comfortable with. Select your test date. You have to proceed further and just simply click next and you can see that your slot booked successfully. So guys, what are you waiting for? The link for the app is given in the description itself. Do install the app, book your slot and get placed in your dream company. Happy learning guys. Here they have clearly specified that do not fill this form if you are graduating in 2022 or onwards. This form is specifically for SDE1 openings. I will refer the folks every week from this form only. Right, so if you are from 2019, 2020 or 21 batch, you can fill this particular form. So here they have asked for certain details like your name, then your passing year you have to mention, your course, email, phone number, current company. So if you are working somewhere, you can mention about the company as well. And then you have to provide your LinkedIn profile. So now just to analyze your problem solving skills, they have asked for these skills like these things like as CodeChef rank or CodeChef star, CodeChef profiling, code forces profiling, number of questions solved on lead code profiling, link to your resume, and make sure that your link should be accessible. Right, so this is our first opportunity from Amazon. Let's come to our next opportunity. So that is from Infogain. So Infogain is basically hiring for the role of software engineers with skill. They have mentioned is SQL Server for location Noida. Roles and responsibilities specified by them are that SQL and Windows experience is required for ASP OPS. SQL able to write queries to extract data, SQL agent jobs, SQL profiler, understand basic SQL concepts, right? So experience needed is 9 months to 2 years. So if you're someone having that much of experience, like 9 months to 2 years, you can apply for this opportunity. Skills they primarily need is like primary skill they have specified is SQL Server, and additional also they have mentioned the same, right? Let's come to our next opportunity. So that is from Nuance. Nuance is basically hiring for the role of software engineering intern. Nuance internship program. So we are searching for top talent students to join a world-class team as part of our ongoing investment in the Pune internship program. Our internships offer students an exciting path to contribute to cutting-edge technology. Principal duties and responsibilities specified are that contributing to the design, development, test, and evaluation of the system, design, document, implement unit test, and qualify product components. Ensure products meet all relevant specification and quality standard. Qualifications so must be currently enrolled in a full-time degree in software engineering, computer engineering, electrical engineering, computer science or similar. So this opportunity is for 2022 or 2023 batch. Exposure to object-oriented programming, excellent oral, written and interpersonal communication skills must be eligible to work full-time. Right? Let's talk about our next opportunity now. So here's our next opportunity, that is for the role of software engineer fresher 2020 as well as 2021 pass out. So this opportunity is from 247.ai. This is a full-time role and for entry level, like for freshers only, right? So here you can see that the information mentioned is that job role is software development engineer SDE1, location is Bangalore, batch 2020-2021 is eligible, and this is date of join they have specified is immediately, max 15 days notice period. Job description they have specified is that we are looking for a product engineer SDE1 for product reliability and sustenance engineering team within our product engineering organization. So your role also they have specified that as a product reliability and sustenance engineer, you will help improve our products by working cross functionality with our engineering PO, PSG, SRE, DevOps, and L1 support teams to make customers successful. Certain other points they have given, just go through it to get a proper understanding. We'll be talking about important things only. So education and experience, so bachelor's of master's degree with preference in computer science. So as such, they have not specified or like in restriction to someone, but they have said preference will be given to computer science, no backlog in any subjects during graduation, post-graduation, 3 to 6 months of internship experience, preferably in software product development organization. So if you're having an internship in that thing, so that can be an advantage for you for sure. Responsibilities has been given that to produce customer issues, file bug reports and coordinate the delivery of fixes, analyze and collect customer data, work closely with multiple product and engineering teams, author party knowledge base articles. So certain other points are given, you can just go through it. Skills mentioned are like hands-on development, maintenance experience using Java, C++, Node.js or any other programming language, good understanding of relational database and one or more NoSQL database, good understanding of JSON and RESTful APIs, exposure to web application built using Angular or React, hands-on experience with log analysis tool and Linux queries, experience with supporting SaaS, experience with microservices architecture and developing APIs would be a plus. Excellent communication skills in business English is a prerequisite. So if you're interested in this opportunity, make sure to apply. The link for all the jobs is given in the description itself. Do check their job. Also do check the app of Relevel as well. That is going to be very helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you are liking our content, do hit a like button. Do share this video among your friends as well so that even they can know about this hiring opportunity. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.